Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, and today, hey, we're talking about peanuts. I did a video a while ago, I think it was about a year ago, when I discovered my favorite brand of peanuts, Ronnie's Jumbo Peanuts. Check out the video here, I'll link it here, I'll also link it below on how I discovered these peanuts, and I'm telling you, these are the best in the world. Like, I have tried so many brands, so many varieties, and these are the best. Check them out at ronnieseeds.com. They also make great sunflower seeds, but salted in the shell peanuts is my go-to snack. It has been for years, and honestly, these are the best. Check out that video. So today we're gonna do something different with these peanuts, and a lot of people will buy a chocolate nut spread. We're gonna do our own chocolate peanut butter with good old Ronnie's Jumbo Peanuts, and I'll show you how easy this is. All right, well, we're gonna start with 2 cups of shelled Ronnie's Jumbo Peanuts. These are salted in the shell. And yes, I took them all out of the shell myself. Absolutely. 100% worth it. Now what you're gonna find, because this is all natural, that it's gonna look a lot drier than what you get at the store, because there's no hydrogenated fats in there. These are just ingredients that we pulled together, and we're in control of everything that we're putting in here. If you want this smoother, what you can do is add a little bit of milk to it, and you just add enough to make it the consistency you want. The only thing you have to realize, though, is by adding milk to it, you do have a shelf life in the fridge. It's not going to last forever. Not that anything lasts forever anyway. And then you just combine that together, and you'll see that it just makes it a lot smoother. I'm just going to add a touch more. All right, got a piece of toast here. Now for the final tasting. Adding that milk at the end is the perfect ingredient to make this nice and creamy and beautiful. And you can even add a skim milk if you want to. Take a little bit on my piece of toast. Oh yeah, look at how that spreads. Man, and it looks so chocolatey too. I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. All right, here we go. Wow, that is so good. I would have this over the store-bought brand any day. I want you guys to give this a try. Leave me some comments below on what you think. And when you get to try these Ronnie's Jumbo Peanuts, let me know what you think of them, because they are my favorite snack. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, folks. Really appreciate it. Hit that like button and the notifications bell. And this is Chef Des signing out. Keep snacking.